Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I am so excited today. I have my March Fashionsta box. Yep, my March box. Let's get in here and I'll explain. So just as Fashionsta was getting ready to ship out their boxes, the world stopped. They didn't get their March boxes out in time and they let us know right away that wasn't going to happen. They said they are not going to do April, May, or June boxes and they're going to start back up with July, which I think is absolutely fine. I completely understand. It's a fairly new box. They were on a small scale operation and they just couldn't get it done. And I completely understand. I would want everybody to be safe. So let's get in here and see what I've got. I'm so excited to find out. Fashionsta is already kind of known as being like we pay at the beginning of the month, and if you're lucky you get your box at the end of the month. They were already running a little behind and they had promised that they were going to get it fixed before July, so it will be interesting to see if this was a setback for them, but we'll hope that it wasn't. Okay, I'm going to open it up and I folded this back because my address is on the other side, so when I open it, that is what it looks like. We have our nice paperwork, and when I take that off, let's see what they're telling us on the paperwork. So the paperwork basically says what I just told you guys. They hope we are staying safe and healthy. They have started their shipments again. The good news is they're back to restructuring and back to normalcy. They will not start charging us again until July for the July shipments. And it says if you had prepaid, they will of course extend your subscription. So that is fantastic. Okay, the back shows us our goodies. I'm just going to reach in and see what we've got. Right on top, I have the Double Dare 2-in-1 Smoothing Mask Kit, Jet Super Hydrating Mask Kit. And it has a step 1 and a step 2. And that is what that looks like. And it says step 1 is a soothing microfiber towelette, and step 2 is a super hydrating soothing mask. Very interesting. I like the idea of this. Let's see what the paperwork says about it. Oh, looking at the back of the paperwork, let me just show you right up top. It says that my box has a $140 value, which brings me back to what I should have told you at the very beginning. This is a $24.99 box. I actually pay $19.99 because if you signed up in the first few months that they offered it, it was $19.99. And if you stayed with them after they had raised the price, you were grandfathered with your $19.99. So for $19.99, this box is incredible. For $24.99, it is still fantastic because it has a $140.50 value. Okay, back to where we were. This says that the Jet 2-in-1 Soothing Mask Kit has a $9 value. That seems like a good deal. Soothe and moisturize your skin with super antioxidants such as cactus fruit and rosehip. The Jet mask will keep your skin rejuvenated, hydrated, and shield against harmful environmental stress. All right, and after a quick look-see at the ingredients on the back, I am so happy I can use this. That's always fantastic. So the reason it is the Jet Super Hydrating Mask is they say a convenient 2-in-1 kit will instantly soothe and moisturize the skin during traveling. So this is meant to be packed up and used when you're traveling. You know what? I might just do that. Okay, let's see what's next. I have a Bye Bye Germs OMG Hand Sanitizer Gel. Alcohol 62%, so that is fantastic. It is 1.7 ounces. I remember when this was supposed to come out in March, I remember them talking about this and people could not find sanitizer anywhere. It was a great idea. I will absolutely poke this in my purse for when I get to leave again, and it will be a fantastic product to have. This is the OMG Hand Sanitizer Gel, $5.50 value, kills 99.9% of germs and meets the CDC's requirement of 60% ethanol alcohol. Gels are advised to be used on hands when there is no water or soap available. FDA registered. Fantastic. Okay, next I have a Herbal Dynamics Beauty Clean and Calm Cucumber Blue Lotus Micellar Water. And by the way, these are all full-size products. All right, when I take it out, this is what it looks like. And let's see what the paperwork says. Herbal Dynamics Cucumber and Blue Lotus Micellar Water, $16. Gently and effectively cleanse your skin of oils, makeup, and other impurities with this one-step complexion brightening micellar solution. Can be used as a toner or one-step cleanser. That is interesting. No need to rinse. Cruelty-free, sulfate, paraben, and phthalate-free, and it is 4 ounces. Well, let's get in here and see what this at least smells like. Just for the record, I just took the top off and it is good and sealed. That's fantastic for shipping. I've read the back and it's all ingredients I can use. Now, in theory, this is just going to be like water. Yeah, see how it's just like water? Ooh. Yeah, it just smells kind of clean. and nice, and it's not leaving me at all tacky. So I'm very happy about that. I don't know whether I'm going to try it as a toner or a micellar water first. I like that it does both. I'm going to have to read more about it and see which I think works for me. Reaching in next, I have a Shivani Beauty Marvel Elixir, and it is 1 fluid ounce. That is what the box looks like. Let's dive right in. Oh, that is so pretty and heavy. It's completely glass. Look how gorgeous that is, guys. So pretty. Like I said, it's really heavy and it feels such quality. The top of it, even this part, they've chromed. If it was a car, they would have chromed it. They've put the metallic look on. Let's see what the paperwork says about this. Shivani Beauty Marvel Elixir, $54. A multi-purpose hybrid formula that is both a primer and a beauty oil. Fast absorbing and lightweight properties assist in delivering firmer, plumper, and more youthful looking skin for a hydrated, radiant, and flawless complexion. Vegan, cruelty-free, and made in the USA. There's everything about that to love. Let's go ahead and just get some up in here. It's kind of got a yellowish cast to it. I'll just put a drop on the back of my hand. Let's see about this. I like the idea that it's a primer and an oil all in one. It just kind of smells like oil. It doesn't really, it kind of smells like oil, kind of green, like is there olive oil in it maybe? It kind of has that. Not really a foodie smell, just kind of green. That is, it really shined up the back of my hand. So we'll do like we do whenever I put any oils on the back of my hand. We'll leave this through the rest of the video, because if this is meant to be a primer and a moisturizer, in theory you want your makeup to sit really nicely on the top of that. So we'll leave it sit and see what happens. Reaching in next, I have a lippy. It is from Emily and Alexandra Cosmetics, and it says Coral Reef on the front. So let us open this up. Oh, it's so pretty. It's kind of pinkish, and it has the little mermaid. Oh, it says mermaid. It has a little mermaid, and it says mermaid on the front. That is so cute. My color is Coral Reef, so the name on the front is the color Coral Reef. Ooh. It's a gorgeous lipstick. Let me start by saying this is a gorgeous lipstick. Look at that with the mermaid scales on it. How pretty is that? But can you guys see that color? It is orange looking. Wow. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this. I have kind of decided, I know, here we are in June. It's my mid-year resolution. We should all make one. Let's make a mid-year resolution together. My first one is going to be to try more products that I don't think are the perfect color for me. I don't want to do that with everything because I do love setting things aside for you guys for giveaways. And speaking of which, I just went over 7,000 and I cannot thank you all enough. We've got some giveaways coming, but until I can send out the ones that I've got, I just don't feel good about doing more. But I will still be doing a 6,000 and a 7,000 subscriber giveaway. I will not be ignoring it. Oh my goodness. I don't know that my resolution is going to work so great. You guys see how orange that is? I put it in a really awkward place on my hand. I didn't want to put it on our oil, so I used this hand, but that's orange. It is even more orange in person than it is on. Ooh. Okay, you know what? At some point, somebody's going to say, hey, Kath, want to do a collab with Halloween looks? And I'm going to say, you betcha, baby. I am ready. Okay, let's see what the paperwork says about this. And just for the record, I put that oil on me and I have completely smudged up the outside of this thing. And it's Emily and Alexandra Cosmetics. It's what the backside says. I was so involved in the cute mermaid that I missed. See how smudged up I've gotten it? This says Emily and Alexandra lipstick, $18 value, vegan and cruelty-free, ocean-friendly, water-resistant, and sunscreen ingredients. Wow, I wish this was a color I could use every day. That sounds fantastic. Keeping your lips hydrated and happy. It's got a kind of a creamy look to it, but it is definitely, I don't know if you guys can see, it is definitely a matte. So, yeah, it's color though. I mean, I am rubbing the heck out of it with my finger, and it's staying pretty well. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and take that off before I get it on something else. And then we're going to get into my last product in here, which I can see through the bubble wrap, is a palette. I'm so excited. I love palettes. Oh, and it's a glam light. This is my first Glam Light palette. I see all my girls out there doing videos where they have like the pizza ones. That's Glam Light, right? The pizza ones and the burger ones and the taco ones and all the cool looking ones. That's Glam Light, right? This is my first Glam Light palette. And it is Alexandra. I do not know who that is. I am the first to admit. I'm going to assume she's probably a YouTuber, but I do not know who she is. Hey babes, makeup's always been one of my biggest passions, and as a professional MUA, I've always dreamed of being able to create a palette that allows women of all skin tones, excellent, to create the most glamorous look. All right, let's get in here. It is cruelty-free, and it says it's good for 18 months once we open it. And I'm trying to be more aware, and let me know below, guys. I'm trying to think to tell you guys where products are made. Let me know below. Is that something you care about? I do have people that ask me that question periodically, now more than ever. So if that's something that you would like me to tell you when I do, like I tell you how much it costs and everything, if that's something you'd like to know, just let me know. But this is made in the People's Republic of China. Like I said, that won't stop me from using it, but I know that's information some people like to have. This is what it looks like. It is very burgundy, and it's got that velvet feel too. Oh, wow, these are big pans. This is gorgeous. I was trying to assess whether I was going to swatch this because, you know, the whole we just swatched the orange lippy, but I think I can make this work. That is what the palette looks like. But see, there's some pinks and some reds, and I think I can make this work. It's super pretty. All right, guys, let's go ahead and swatch these. Since I'm going to use them, let's just swatch and see what we get. These are, and I'm about halfway through the first row, and I will tell you, these feel so creamy and nice. Even the mattes are absolutely gorgeous. Some of the colors that I was afraid of, like this one that I'm using, because in the pan it looks so orange, once you put it on, it's not really all that orange. Oh, that's pretty. You know, I talk about it when I do my videos. I love those reds. I know they're not the best look for me, but I just love them. This is the first row, and this is Horchata, Boss Babe, Lit, Superstar, and Shady. Those are so pretty. All right, that is the next row. These colors are gorgeous, and they are Jalisco, Glam, Poppin', Selena, and Sunshine. And I'm gonna get even, I'm gonna bring my arm up closer. I hope you guys can see it. Look at the sparkle on that gold and that bronze. That is so pretty, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. I am swatching this third row, and I'm here to tell you, it was worth swatching this palette, even if the only two colors that I use, oh my gosh, these are so pretty. But I was going to say, if the first two colors in this bottom row are the only two colors I use in this entire palette, it's so worth swatching. Look how gorgeous those are. Can you see the shine on those and the pink? Those are, this palette feels so gorgeous. It is creamy and nice. The swatches are fantastic. Now, like we always say, different with a brush, but these two colors right here, I mean, oh my goodness, guys. I put this one on and literally went, oh. So that is the Alexandra Glam Light palette. I think it is gorgeous. All right, so that is what we received in our March, what I'm going to go ahead and call our June Fashionsta box, because you know what? Things happen, especially in the world the way it's going today. Things happen, and this was so worth the wait. This palette is fantastic. It feels gorgeous. It feels creamy and nice. There was no kick up. I wasn't using a brush, but sometimes even with your hand, you can tell if it's gonna have, it didn't. It was gorgeous. We have this nice micellar water that you can also use as a toner. This gorgeous oil. Oh, let's check that out. I can still feel the oil on my hand. See how it's still shiny? I don't know that it will be a problem for me, especially in the winter, but my face tends to be dry, so it probably won't be a problem for me. I can tell you right now, if you have oily skin, I cannot imagine that you will want to use this, especially as a primer, because my hand absolutely still has the oil on it. Like I said, I don't mind that because I tend to be so dry, but I don't see how that works for oily skin. Let me know below if you've gotten this and tried it. I'd love to hear what you think. We got the Bye Bye Germs hand sanitizer, which, how fantastic is that? And the Emily and Alexandra nice mermaid lippy. And then we got this really cool Double Dare double mask that's going to be great for travel. I think it's a fantastic box. Let me know below what you guys think. It is a $24.99 box. It had a $140.50 value. I will put their link below I'm not an affiliate. I'm just going to put the link just so you guys don't have to go out on the internet and look for it if you don't want. I'm in no way associated with them, but I just like the box. I think these are great products. I can't wait to try them. You will be seeing this in my very next video. Thanks again for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you being here. I appreciate you getting me over 7,000 subscribers. That just, that just blows my mind. I feel so blessed and so grateful, and I'm having so much fun, and let's talk about it below. Let's talk about everything below. You guys know I love to jump on and chat with you in the comments, so as soon as I can get the other giveaways that I have out of here, I will do both a 6 and 7K giveaway. Also, that would be a great thing to chat about. What do you think I should put in those giveaways? What are you guys looking for? Eyeshadow palettes or face palettes? Has anybody got a new one? I tried to get the Jeffree Star palette, the cremated palette, and it sold out while I was online. I was online 1 minute before 1, and it sold out. Very sad. Anyway, I'm over it. Let me know below what you guys think would be fantastic to see in a giveaway, and we'll talk soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and take care out there, guys. Bye-bye.